The FA Trophy today, it's Cefn Albion, and 2-0 loss and out the cup, the second cup in a couple of weeks. What's your thoughts on the 90 minutes, Craig?
Yeah, it was, obviously very frustrating. When we got the draw, I knew it was going to be a tough game, and then we come here with a depleted squad, and we knew it was going to be, as I said, we knew it was going to be difficult, physical game. At times it was a proper cup game, difficult for the ref in the middle. And I thought first half we played considerably well, moved the ball quickly. Didn't work the keeper though, so we've got a lot of the possession, worked it into good areas, and we've not worked the keeper. And then at half time, I don't know what happened. Second half they come out a completely different team. Rabbit in headlights springs to mind, and it was extremely disappointing in that second half. We conceded again 2 sloppy goals that you can't get away with, and the quality all over the park just wasn't there.
2 goals in a few minutes, to be honest, Craig.
Yeah, you come to places like this and against teams like Cefn Albion, and they get on top of you, you're in trouble, and it's difficult because we've allowed them to get back into the game. As I said, first half was particularly good. We've allowed them to get into the game second half, and they've capitalised, and rightly so. That's what you should do in games of football.
There wasn't an improvement on Tuesday, was it? To be honest, it's a different game, but we need to reassess and start again next Saturday against Brickfield.
Yeah, as I said, we've come here depleted in terms of the numbers with the players absent, but that's no excuse, and I'll never use that as an excuse. The boys that I put out on the field, I expect to perform to a certain standard, and they've fallen short of that, and we're out of this cup. And it is disappointing because, as I said, it's a cup that we looked at the start of the season and felt that we could do well in. And it was a good opportunity for us to go and get some success. Unfortunately, that's out of the way now, and that's not possible. So we turn our focus directly back to our league, and that at the end of the day is our bread and butter. And I'm not using that as an excuse. I'm saying it as it is. We need to win this league and get out of it. So to do that, we need to get our full focus now. We need to get our players back from injuries, players who are missing today, and we need to get everyone back in so that we start getting points on the board. All the best to Cefn Albion. Good luck in the next round, and hope you go on and push on. But for us, that's the end of that. Cheers, Dol.
Yeah.